How to use Bootstrap Studio. Download and install Bootstrap Studio. Open it, and get familiar with the components, canvas, options, and preview panels. Create a new project from the File menu, then choose a template or start with a blank Bootstrap layout. Build the page structure using container, row, and columns to form a responsive grid. Drag components like navbar, buttons, cards, and forms from the Components panel onto the canvas. Edit content by double-clicking text or customize HTML, CSS, and classes from the Options or Code Editor. Test responsiveness using mobile, tablet, and desktop preview modes and adjust layouts for each screen size. Open Live Preview in a browser, then export clean HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files for hosting. Thanks for watching.